This is a bathroom in this area. This is the hallway. This is the girls' bedroom. And right now this is all scaffolding for doing the stucco on the ceiling. Down the hallway is another bedroom, another little girl bedroom. And it has a closet here as well. Oh, and yeah, and they have a view too. Out across town. Through the trees. Hey Russ.
Hey. I was just looking for you.
This is our bathroom. It's all under construction. This is my shower. And this is our bedroom. We're still getting ready to do some filming, so those are windows. They're just all boarded over right now for recording audio with. So this is going to be our recording studio for the next 3 weeks or so.
Welcome to the, does this studio have a name?
Yeah, Global Encounter Studio.
Oh, Global Encounter Studio. Where we now have duct tape.
We have duct tape!
With the duct tape presentation.
Was it